Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play American Truck Simulator. We'll cover the essential steps to get you on the road quickly. First, you'll learn the basic controls for steering, accelerating, and braking your rig. Then, we'll explore the game's main goal, building your trucking empire. Finally, I'll guide you through selecting your initial truck and making it your own. Let's get started. Once you're behind the wheel, it's time to hit the open road. You'll use the in-game map to find and accept various delivery jobs. Remember to drive carefully, respecting all traffic laws and posted speed limits to avoid fines. Keeping an eye on your fuel gauge, driver fatigue, and truck condition is crucial for successful long-haul journeys. Plan your stops wisely. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh, whether you're on the road or at home. Check the description below for the link to these containers and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. As you complete deliveries, you'll earn money, which is vital for your trucking business. Use your earnings to buy more powerful trucks or enhance your current fleet with performance upgrades. Don't forget to expand your garage space as your business grows. Soon, you'll be able to hire other drivers to work for you, generating passive income. It's all about smart investments.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.